Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be using into resin molds and I will be combining few of them and creating unique designs. So first one is the snowflake one, and here I'm going to pour my resin. So I'm going to make a clear one. So at this point my resin is a bit thick, but when your resin is thick it is ultra clear, so it is best for making this snowflake. I know that because I know that it's going to be bubble free and I'm going to get lovely results. So here my resin, and it is all leveled up. Now I'm going to use this Drizzy inlay mold that I made myself. Here I will link the video above if you want to make one for yourself also. So I'm going to leave it like this, and then I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I'm making another one, and this time I'm going to make it simple plain. I'm going to add a little bit of purple pigment, epoxy pigment, that is a transparent one. So as I explained that I added a very less amount of pigment, so it remains transparent. The pigment was transparent itself. So very slowly I'm going to pour this. Now this resin is low viscosity resin. I always tell you to use a low viscosity resin for making a crystal mold in your crystal molds. But the first one, when your resin is very thick, a lot of you might know that when you're pouring resin into something and it is about to cure, it is really bubble free. So this is something for not for beginners, but for beginners, I always recommend that you use a low viscosity resin. And in the middle, I added a little bit of fantasy film, just a circle, just to give a little bit of effect. And now I'm topping it off with the rest of the resin now. And you can see I am adding very slowly. So this is another way that you don't introduce more bubbles into your resin. It's almost filled up, and then after that I will leave this to cure, and then I will see you next day. So I'm going to demold both of them. So let's see. First I'm going to remove the Drizzy inlay, and it has affected on the half side of the snowflake and half is a bit clear. More than half, I can say. It is looking very lovely from the back also. So I'm going to demold it. So mold is ultra flexible, but still it is very strong, and you can see the shiny mold itself. And this is how it is looking like. It is looking very lovely. I have a bit of overspilled. I'm going to clean that up, but I am really loving it. It turned out really lovely. So on to the second one, and very slowly I'm going to demold this. Super excited to see how this one turned out. So this is the mold again, and this is how it is looking like. I am loving the very light purple color, and then the fantasy film in the middle turned out to be really lovely. So on to the second mold, and this is the second mold by Into Resin. It is again a very lovely mold. I'm going to open it up and let you see how it looks like. So this is how the mold look like. It is a very lovely flower, and it has a shiny crystal on the top and then small drizzy crystals at the back. I will show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to make it in two colors. For my first color, I'm going to use a purple shade, and then for my second color, I'm going to add a little bit of red. So I'm going to combine two colors here. Again, very carefully, I'm going to add the resin. So after pouring the purple halfway, I think more than halfway, I'm going to add some red color into the remaining resin, and then I'm going to top it off with this one. And again, I'm going to add a little bit of fantasy film into the center, and then I'm going to add the resin on the top. Filling it up completely. And then leave it to cure. See you next day. This is the next day, and today I'm going to demold this one. So let's see how this turned out. I'm very excited to see how this flower looks like. So as I explained that it is a drizzy on the back, but on the top it is a shiny crystal, and it is so pretty. I love it. So you can make two flowers, one mini and one the bigger one. I might show that in my next tutorial, but still it is a very lovely mold. This is the close-up. So I got an idea and I thought I'm going to use this mold with another mold that is from Into Resin, and they both were going very much look alike. So this is the bigger snowflake mold and I'm going to pour a resin in this one. I mixed my resin and again I added a very hint of transparent green epoxy pigment. So carefully I'm going to fill this up. So I have some bubbles in my resin. So what I will be doing here is that I'm pouring a little resin into the center. Then I'm going to use my heat gun. So my heat gun is on very low setting. So this is spreading the resin. So meanwhile my resin is spreading, my bubbles are also vanishing. So by this way I'm going to pour this resin little by little. I'm going to add into the center and then I'm going to use my heat gun. So you will see that this will help with the bubbles here. So it's done now and I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, time to demold. So it is a bit on the softer side, but I was really excited to see how this turned out. So I have few videos on this mold. It is such a beautiful mold. You know, I love this one. It is so shiny, and if you add a little bit of glitter, it turned into something really magical. So I will link this mold in my description along with the others. So you will be getting 25% off. So this is a special discount by Into Resin for this festive season. So if you like to treat yourself, or if you have eyes on some of their molds, this is the time to treat yourself really for Christmas. So you can see that it, as I explained, that it is still soft, but I was really very impatient to see, but you can see how lovely the snowflake is looking like, and I'm going to show you what I was thinking in my mind. So this is what I was thinking. I want to put this on the top of my snowflake. So in this way, with two molds, you can make something unique. So I really love how this one turned out. I'm going to use a little bit of UV resin, and or you can use a simple resin, or you can use any glue also. It's really up to you. You're going to combine both of them. This is beautiful on its own, but with the extra snowflake, it is a lovely project. So I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to show you some more ways to upgrade your snowflakes. So this is the first mold that I use by Into Resin, and it is the first one that I'm still using, and I have poured so many times, but still the results are always shiny. So what I'm doing here is that I'm adding a little bit of glitter into the center. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black resin and I'm going to top that with the transparent resin, just to create some variations. Again, I have few videos with this mold also. It is my favorite mold, although they make very unique mold, all of them, and I'm sure all of you now know that their molds are really, really amazing and the quality is amazing. So after that, I'm going to leave this to cure. So today I'm going to demold it. And here are the results. You can see shiny crystal out of the mold. It is a crystal flower, and I made this one, and then I made one in purple. So this is out of the mold here. So this one is with the solid mica color pigment, and you can see this is how shiny it is as well. So the two snowflakes that I made in the start, I'm going to show you that how you can upgrade them also. So these are the two. I just put some ribbons. It is lovely on their own, but if you want to make them unique and different from everyone, so here are two molds that I'm going to be combining again. So white I made for this one, and for purple I made a dark purple flower. Here you go. Again, I'm going to use a glue. I think I'm going to use a transparent glue, and it is going to work really lovely. So this is the first one I showed you. I just combined different molds and just upgraded them. I really love how they turn out. So I'm going to show you in the sunlight also. So I will link everything in my description if you like to treat yourself. So with the 25% off, it is really a treat. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you do, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.